as I lay me down. Heaven, hear me now. I'm lost without a cause. After giving it my all, winter storms have come and darkened my sun. After all that I've been through, who on earth can I turn to? I look to you, I look to you. After all my strength is gone, in you I can be strong. I look to you. To lose my breath, there's no more fighting left, sinking to rise no more, searching for that open door. And every road that I've taken led to my regret, and I don't know if I'm going to do but lift my head. I look to you, I look to you, yeah. And when all my strength is gone, and you I can be strong, I look to you, I look to you. And when melodies are gone, and you I hear a song, I look to you. My levees are broken, oh Lord, walls have come, coming down on me, all the rain is falling, defeat is called, set me free. Take me far away from the battle. I need you, shine on me. I look to you, I look to you. After all my strength is gone, in you I can be strong. I look to you. I look to you. Ooh, I look to you.
Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. makes us feel alive. We keep this love in a photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, our hearts are never broken, and time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet, and you won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home. Loving can heal, loving can mend your soul, and it's the only thing that I know. I swear it will get easier. Remember that with every piece of you. And it's the only thing we take with us when we die. Keep this love in its photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, hearts were never broken, time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. And if you hurt me, that's okay, baby. Only words bleed inside these pages. You just hold me. I won't ever let you go. Wait for me to come home. 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 Oh, you can fit me inside the necklace you got when you were 16, next to your heartbeat where I should be. Keep it deep within your soul. And if you hurt me, well, that's okay, baby. Only words bleed inside these pages. You just hold me. I won't ever let you go. When I'm away, I will remember how you kissed me under the lamppost back on 6th Street, hearing you whisper through the phone. Wait for me to come home. I used to rule the world. Seas would rise when I gave the word. Now in the morning I sleep alone. Sweep the streets I used to own. I used to roll the dice, feel the fear in my enemy's eyes, listen as the crowd would sing. Now the old king is dead, long live the king. One minute I held the key, next the walls were closed on me, and I discovered that my castle stand upon pillars of salt and pillars of sand. I hear Jerusalem bells are ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing. Be my mirror, my sword and shield. to let me in. Shattered windows and the sound of drums. People couldn't believe what I'd become. And revolutionaries wait for my head on a silver plate, just a puppet on a lonely string. Oh, who would ever wanna be king? I hear Jerusalem bells are ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing. Be my mirror, my sword and shield, my missionaries in a foreign field. For some reason I can't explain, I know St. Peter won't call my name, never an honest word, but that was when I ruled the world. Hear Jerusalem bells are ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing. Be my mirror, my sword and shield, my missionaries in a foreign field. For some reason I can't explain, I know St. Peter won't call my name, never an honest word, but that was when I ruled the world.
Oi, tô aqui, toda descabelada, sem maquiagem, feia. Já são 2h30 da manhã. Mas eu queria agradecer. Primeiramente, esses 25 anos de casada não é pra qualquer um. Porque aguentar o pai é uma encrenca. E a mãe que solta umas bufas fedidas também, que ninguém é obrigado a sentir. Mas eu queria agradecer pela pessoa que eu sou hoje, que eu devo a vocês, que são pessoas sempre esforçadas, batalhadoras, guerreiras, pessoas humildes. E eu quero agradecer muito. Então, o que eu puder fazer para ajudar vocês, eu sempre vou fazer. Tiro de mim para dar para vocês. E eu queria agradecer por tudo que vocês fez até hoje. E eu não tenho nem palavras para explicar o tanto que eu amo vocês. Tenho orgulho de dizer que o Bigodudo é meu pai e que a Pedorreira é minha mãe. Amo demais.
Eu tô aqui pra agradecer a minha mãe e meu pai por tudo que eles são na minha vida. Dizer que eu amo muito vocês, que vocês são meu porto seguro, que vocês são meu respirar. E desejar os parabéns por 25 anos, porque um aguentar o outro não é fácil, né? Tine e Bigu. E dizer parabéns aí por todas as dificuldades, por tudo que a gente já passou. E o amor sempre supera tudo. E eu amo muito, muito, muito vocês, sua mãe do universo.
Eu tô fazendo chapinha e vieram me atrapalhar. Mãe, pai, eu só tenho a agradecer vocês por tudo que vocês já fez por mim, por tudo que vocês ainda vão fazer, e eu sou grata por tudo. Desculpe se alguma vez eu já errei com vocês, se eu já fui chata, se eu já fui escandalosa, e eu só tenho a dizer que eu amo muito vocês, e é isso.
Mãe, pai, obrigada por tudo! Nós te amamos!
Hear Jerusalem bells are ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing. Be my mirror, my sword was when I ruled the world.